Hey there, craving something refreshing? Let's talk about lemonade. Lemonade has its roots in the Mediterranean region, where lemons were abundant. The original recipe was simple, made from lemon juice, water, and sweetener, typically sugar. Over time, variations emerged, incorporating sparkling water for fizziness or additional fruits like strawberries for a twist of flavor. In the United States, lemonade holds a nostalgic place as a quintessential summer drink, often sold at lemonade stands or enjoyed at picnics and fairs. It's available commercially in classic and flavored varieties, making it a staple for warm weather refreshment. Lemonade's appeal lies in its perfect balance of tartness and sweetness. It's not just a drink, it's versatile. It can be adapted into cocktails by adding alcohol or made into frozen treats like popsicles. Plus, it's praised for its potential health benefits due to the vitamin C content of lemons and its hydrating properties. So whether you're sipping it on a hot day or mixing it into a cocktail, lemonade is the ultimate thirst quencher.